This program comprises Unit 3, Input Devices. After completion of this unit, you will be able to describe the purpose of input devices, distinguish between different input devices, have knowledge about keyboard devices, have knowledge about speech recognition system, have knowledge about point and draw devices, have knowledge about date scanning devices. The input devices are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. Following are most widely used input devices. Keyboard device. Keyboard is a standard input device as readily available for us to feed the data. A keyboard is similar to a conventional typewriter with about 101 to 114 keys as shown below. A keyboard is divided into three major parts: function keys, numeric keys, alphabetic numeric keys, special keys, and screen navigation keys. Function keys. Function keys are 12 in number, labeled as F1 to F12. Function keys are programmable keys to perform a specific stored function. For example, F1 key is used for help option. Numeric keys. Numeric keypad is very important for entering numeric data. A numeric keypad is switched on and switched off by pressing numlock key. It is mostly situated on the right side of the keyboard. 0 to 9 and plus, minus, steric, slash, and enter keys are present in such a keyboard. A numeric keypad can also be used for arrow keys and page up and down tasks as mentioned on the keys. Alphabetic and numeric keypad. Alphanumeric keypad has alphabetic keys and numeric keys. This is a standard keypad and is similar to a typewriter. These keys are used to type the character data as well as numeric data. It has QWERTY keypad and is used to enter A to Z alphabets both in upper and lower case letters. In the above keypad, alphabetic keys 0 to 9 and numeric keys are present, and some symbols are printed and can be used by using the Shift key. Special keys. These are some keys situated between alphanumeric and numeric keypad and surround the alphanumeric keypad as well. These are page up, page down, home, end, insert, delete, and tab, caps lock, shift, control, alt, windows, escape, etc. Screen navigation keys. These are called arrow keys situated between alphanumeric and numeric keypad. These are 4 arrow keys like left, right, up and down arrow keys. These are used to move cursor anywhere on the screen. Point and draw devices. Point and draw device is an input device which helps to rapidly point and select an icon to display on the screen. Some popular input devices are trackball, joystick, mouse, light pen, touch screen, and digitizer. Trackball. Trackball. Trackball works just like a mouse. Trackball contains only one ball instead of different buttons like left or right, etc. Trackball uses this ball to move the cursor position from one location to the other. Trackball neither uses any such pad nor covers much space. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing device. Joystick is mostly used by children to play their games. It consists of a handle which can be used to move the object position left, right, up and down. Joystick can also be attached with a television set. It uses USB or special port supplied with sound card for connection. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. A user can move pointer very rapidly on the screen with the help of mouse. Mouse controls the movements of the cursor positions. There is variety of mouse available in the market. For example, wheel mouse, laser mouse, wireless mouse, etc. Wheel mouse. Wheel mouse contains left-right buttons and a wheel button at the middle. Wheel button is used to scroll the pages up and down very rapidly. Laser mouse. Laser mouse uses the laser beam for its movement. Laser mouse does not need any mouse pad. Laser mouse is automatically activated as it is attached with the computer. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device which is used for making drawings. Light pen rapidly moves on the screen just like an ordinary pen, but it works with electricity. Light pen does not need any alphabetic keys. Touch screen. Touch screen enables the user to touch the data directly by using fingers within the display area. Touch screen is very simple and easy to use. Currently, it is also used in mobile phones. Digitizer. Digitizer is used to convert maps, pictures and drawings into a digital form to store in the computer system. A digitizer consists of a digitizing tablet and a stylus, pen. Digitizing tablet is a flat surface on which stylus or a pen is moved to draw shapes, pictures or maps, etc. Speech recognition device. Speech recognition allows a person to input data to the computer through speech. Speech recognition device converts the human voice into text. This device is especially helpful for disabled people. Speech recognition has the capability to first recognize words with the help of software or a device and then convert it into text or command. Types of speech recognition system. Single word speech recognition system. These systems recognize only single words like hello, yes, no, at one time. Continuous type of word speech recognition system. This type of speech recognition system recognizes more than one word or a complete sentence. For example, hello, how are you at one time. Uses of speech recognition system. Speech recognition systems are specially helpful for disabled people who cannot write. It helps people who feel comfortable in speech rather than writing. It facilitates a user in a situation where he or she is unable to edit or review a long text. It also helps the user who is quite busy and doesn't want to type the data due to shortage of time. Data scanning devices. Image scanner. An image scanner translates the printed documents into an electronic format and stores them into the computer. Important documents can be preserved in an electronic form by using image scanner for later use. Image scanners are further classified into the following two types. Flatbed scanner. Flatbed scanner is like a photocopier machine with a glass sheet. Flatbed scanners are also called desktop scanners. In a flatbed scanner, the paper is placed on a glass sheet and a light source is moved horizontally from one line to other line. The process is repeated until all the lines are completed. Handheld scanners. Handheld scanners work much like a flatbed scanner, but it works manually by the user itself. For scanning the documents or products, the scanner is dragged slowly with its light on. Handheld scanners are mostly used in shops to scan the price of products. Optical character recognition. Optical character recognition is also called optical character reader. Optical character readers use a software called OCR software. OCR software. The scanner first creates an image of the document and then the OCR software converts that image into ASCII text. Computer interprets the ASCII text as letters, numbers and special characters. OMR, Optical Mark Reader. Optical Mark Reader has the capability to recognize the pre-mentioned marks either of a pen or a pencil. Optical Mark Reader is specifically helpful for making objective type questions. The student marks the answer sheet by filling or darkening a circle, oval-shaped or square. This printed answer sheet is fed into the computer and the grading is done by using Optical Mark Reader. BCR, Barcode Reader. It is normally used in shops, grocery stores, etc. This device contains the photoelectric cells that read barcodes consisting of lines having different thickness. Barcode reader helps shopkeepers to analyze the price of an item immediately. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. MICR is used to read the magnetically encoded characters. MICR is a system that provides a full alphanumeric recognition of printed or handwritten characters by simply scanning the form. A user scans the data through a scanner, which is recognized by an engine of the OCR system. The MICR converts the images into machine-readable characters. Electronic Card Reader, ECR. Electronic card reader is used to scan e-cards, smart cards like Visa card, bank credit cards, etc. An electronic card reader reads the memory card of the ATM or debit card or Visa card, etc. The memory card is in the form of a black strip which is wiped through an electronic card reader machine. Vision Input System. Vision Input System is one of the latest input devices that recognize the vision image which appears in the range of its lens. These are specially used to design industrial robots.